Okay, there you go. All right, good morning, first grade. A couple of cool sound stations here. This one's called Boom Tunes. What we're going to do is we're going to have Boom Tunes plugged into the teacher iPad here, and I'm going to have the website with the song on Vimeo. I looked for the chicken dance, but they didn't have a chicken dance. So instead, we're going to have Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, everybody's favorite. And while it plays, you're going to plug in. This will already be plugged in for you. And this is a really neat trick. So sound is vibration, and you can't hear it very well the way that it is. If you feel it, oh my gosh, it's really moving a lot. But to make the sound come out, we need to amplify it. So this bucket or this cup, which I need to rinse out, or this bowl is going to be an amplifier, or even a cup. Here we go. You can set it on there, but it works better if you push down a little bit. Now, some of the vibration is going into my hand, so I think one hand is better. And then you can try the bowl. Or the cup. Or the bowl. You can also put your head on the table to listen to it. While this is going on, I wonder if a plate's gonna work. I'm not gonna tell you, you can try it and find out. While this is going on, you can also put your ear on the table to listen to it. And then we're gonna let this play again and again. And when it's over, you can just hit replay. And then between stations, you can just press pause to save battery on it. Cool, thank you. Okay, so we're gonna stack. Okay, this is just a music box, and if you look inside it, oh my gosh, you see these tiny little fingers, and the fingers get moved by the little pointy parts on the wheel there, on the cylinder. But the cool thing about this is, vibration travels through solid object. Is it recording? Okay, cool. So to show that, what we're gonna do is we go ahead and put your ear on the table, and let's see, I'm gonna put it way over here. Let's see. What's happening?
I can hear it.
All the way through the table? So cool, right? So that one's called music. Music box. And let's see. Oh, I got a guitar thing. Also, we have a little guitar here, and if you push the button, but if you, the little speakers on the back side here, you can actually feel the vibration. Can't hear it very well, but guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna put it here on the table. You can hear it playing through the table. Cool. Okay. What else? Okay. Okay, ready? Action. Okay. This one's called Star Wars Sounds. Oh my gosh, super cool. There's a couple ways to do this. You can put one cup on each ear and tap the table, or you can get a partner and then each put it in an ear and then give it a... What's it sound like?
Like call it.
Pew, 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 pew,
Yeah,
pew,
that.
like Star Wars sound effects. So cool. Okay, thank you. When you put this one back, please make sure that we put it with the cup like this, and that way it keeps the slinky from getting tangled. Okay, this is Spoon on a String, and the spoon is made of metal, and metal is a solid that sound travels through. The string doesn't seem like it, but it's not a liquid or a gas, it is a solid. And so what I'm going to do is plug one finger into my elf ear here, and then without letting it touch my body, if it's touching, the vibrations will get dissipated by my body. We don't want that, so I want to let it hang down so it's all by itself, and then boing, 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 boing. It goes on and on. It's so cool. Then, oh, by the way, there's a string with a loop in it, and then on the other side, here's another one, stereo, two at the same time. Plug them in. Remember, I don't want to touch my chest here. I want it to be down by itself, and boing, 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 boing. So cool. Spoon on a string. Okay, this time, hanger on a string. Just like spoon on a string, you don't want it to touch your body, so you have to lean forward, and then you can either hit them together or tap the table. Oh my gosh, these are much larger than the spoon, so the vibrations are slower and lower. Super cool. Hanger on a string. All right, so this one is like the spoon and the hanger. Again, you're gonna plug it into your ear, and then you don't want this to touch your chest. Oh my gosh, this thing is giant, so it's really heavy and dense. Whoops. I can turn it on, turn it off. What happens if I touch it? No more vibrations, no more sound, right? Turn it on, turn it off. Hanger. Okay. Okay, this is Thundermaker. It's been broken a couple times. I've had to tape it back up again, so we're gonna be gentle with it. And the way that Thundermaker works is the spring here vibrates, which creates sound. Just shake it. And I can turn it off. How do I do that? Doesn't work if there's no vibration, right? Vibration, no vibration. Thundermaker, when we set it down, please do not set it down this way. I think that's how I got broke the first time. We're gonna set it this way, we can read it, Thundermaker, so that the spring is on top. Cool.